morning, everyone. I would like to welcome you all to Binalasan Integrated School's 11th Moving Up Ceremony 2025 to 2026. With the theme, Filipino Graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character. I am honored to give a warm welcome to my fellow students, our ever supportive parents, our beloved teachers and staffs to this momentous celebration. I would like to extend my sincere welcome to our department heads, our active GPTA President, Mrs. Myra Titaro, our Honorable Barangay Captain, Kapitan Rico T. Rebellame, our supporting school principal, Dr. Rosalie A. Salgo, our dedicated public schools district supervisor, Ma'am Luz Biminda T. Guerrero, and lastly, our inspiring guest speaker. Thank you all for being part of this special day as we applaud our achievement. Today is more than just a ceremony. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pagtatapos ng isang taong panuruan, kundi tungkol ito sa pagkilala sa mga pagsisikap, pagtsatsaga at pagsisipag ng mga estudyante. Makarating lamang sa mahalagang yugtong ito sa buhay